everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you a mini album I made using the Graphic 45 Make a Splash. I used the 8x8 collection pack, the 12x12 collection pack, the patterns and solids, and the ephemera. So I used it all. I also used navy blue cardstock and some white cardstock. I used about 30 pieces of the navy blue and 18 pieces of the white. The white was primarily for photo mats. But let me show you what I made. This is a 7 by 8.5 by 2 3/4 mini album. It's got tons of room to put photos. The front is a shaker element, and to make that I used one of the cut-aparts popped up on chipboard all around it as the to raise up everything to make it a shaker. And then I cut out the seaweed and the fish, the seahorses, and I used one of the borders and actually put flat back pearls on all of it. Now let's take a look inside. So for the inside front cover, we have a cut apart. It gives you room to document what the event or the characters in the mini album are all about. Just gives you room to journal. The magnet holds that down, and this will go up, giving you room for a photo, room for another one here, and then this starts opening up to give you lots of room to put those photos. In fact, this will open up, giving you lots of spaces to put your photos or journal if you wish. And all of these are of course open, so you could put photos on the side. This will close. There is a small journaling card photo mat tucked inside. It is in the dark blue, but that gives you opportunity to write in a white gel pen if you wish. Now this will open up this way, giving you a bigger space to put your photos, and it's got the coordinating light blue solid so you can journal on there as well. And again, this will open up this way, giving you more room for photos and more journaling space also. Lots of room in the inside front cover. We haven't even gotten into the book. Now this page here, it coordinates but doesn't match. I have just a side opening flap, one of the elements from the sticker sheet there, and then this will open and come up, and there is a side loading pocket made by this cut apart. I simply loved these fish. I just thought they were fabulous, but he is just glued a little bit, so he's still room to put your photos next to it. On this page I did use blue as a photo mat, and same here, and this will open up, and here is just a little tag, room to put a smaller photo, but still you still have lots of room for photos. Now this, because there's no chipboard in this collection, I just raised it up several times on different layers, and that helps give it the emphasis that I wanted. And that'll close, and that'll close. Oh, and this is a side loading pocket with a little larger photo mat. There are 4 signatures, and each signature has its own decorated photo mat. I used a lot of the paper. I still have a little bit left, but it takes a lot of paper. So on the back of page 1, we have 2 pockets and a little folder. So room to put your photos underneath those. There's the back. I have these elements. These were from the stickers. And this will open up, and that will open up. And there are coordinating tags. These are from the stickers, and of course they're open, so you can put your photos here. I left this sheet blank. You could put a 5x7 photo across there, or you could put 4x6s overlapping slightly. So, and then here's the flat back pearl paper without actual flat back pearls on it. This page also coordinates. For its accent, I cut down one of the 4x6 cut-aparts, and there are magnets on the back to hold the page together. And this is another area where you could put a 5x7 photo or a couple of 4x6s. And these, of course, are open, so you could add your photo under there. But to close it, that goes like that. And then there is our large photo mat hidden inside the page. Here's the next page. We're sort of being introduced to the mermaids here. And this page will open and come down. You've got this gorgeous graphic, first of all. Looks like they're in a lost city looking at all the treasures, and there's an oyster with a pearl in it, and there's the fish and the seaweed. It's just beautiful, beautiful. This will open and come down. And this is not a waterfall, but it's a lot of room to put your 4x6 photos. This has a pocket on it, and I put some of the gorgeous cut-aparts from the collection. We've got that image which came from the ephemera. And then this will also open this way to give you room here to put photos again. Gorgeous imagery, isn't it? We have a photo mat tucked in to a side-loading pocket. And there is also another photo mat tucked in the top as well. On this page, I've cut some of the seaweed, and it's on top of, this is the 12x12 seaweed on top of the 8x8 seaweed. So it still shows, I wanted it muted. Here's one of our beautiful mermaids with her friends, all the fish. This one will open like that. And it gives you just a little tuck spot with a couple of photo mats or a couple of cut-aparts from the collection. And now this one will open to the side. So on here I had landscape photos area. On here I have portrait photo areas. These are actually 4x6. I had to cut them down a little to fit, but again, you could put a photo right on top of here, or you could cut down the photos and still have a photo mat. We have a little tuck spot made from one of the stickers from the sticker sheet. Another tuck spot here. And then this will open like that. And this gorgeous mermaid is a tuck spot all by herself. So that will close like that, and that closes like that. And then here is our side loading, a photo mat hidden in that pocket page. Our next page has, the seashells were gorgeous, and I was so happy to be able to use them. That'll open like that. I did not want to add too much onto the seashells. This was from the border strip paper. It really accents that a lot. But you still could put a photo on there. I did not want to even put photo mats on here because if you wanted a smaller photo than 4x6, I didn't want to limit it. I wanted you to see all the gorgeous seashells. That comes down. This will go to the side, and this will go to the side, and again tuck spots on the side with some of those cut aparts. And then on this page, we do have sort of a little pocket on the side, room for a smaller photo. And then this will open like that. There's a little tuck spot there. The solids aren't completely solid. Usually you'll find that in Graphic 45. It's got waves in it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Even the solids are gorgeous in this collection. Now this will open up here, and then there is a small pocket here with one of the cut-aparts. This is from the sticker sheet, and that is from the ephemera. These guys can go in there too. And then this will open up and give you room to put your photos on both sides of the page. And again, room for a 5x7 here if you wanted. So, beautiful ephemera that comes with the collection. And then on our final page, I've got this die cut ephemera, and that'll open up, giving you room for a couple of small pictures, not 4x6 obviously, but a couple of small ones. And then in the very back, as I am prone to do, there is a pocket where you can put all the other photos that didn't fit in the collection, but I can't imagine you would have any photos left. See this tuck spot gives you room to put a photo or a journaling card or whatever you want. And a couple of photo mats. Of course, there was lots left over to make photo mats. Lots of paper, lots of cardstock, lots of decorative paper. And this is held with a magnet. I did not want to do a circle closure because I did not want it to interfere with the mechanics of this page. Oh, and of course there is the hidden photo mat inside that page. The back is just a couple of different of the papers. There's a sticker there in the middle. Here is our spine. And there we are back to our shaker front. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the mini album I made using the fabulous Make a Splash collection from Graphic 45. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please hit that like button. I would appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.